Hello friends, today we're going to review Sugar Cosmetics products. Well, I got this pouch for 2200 and there are 5 products inside, so let's get started. So first we'll start with Wingmen Waterproof Micro Liner. Its packaging is good and here I'm reading the specification. It costs around $4.99. It is water resistant. First I start with applying light pressure, and for second line I will apply a little bit pressure. As you can see, I immediately rub my finger after applying the liner. It took 60 seconds to dry completely, so I like the liner very much. Next we have Coal of Honor Intense Kajal. Its MRP is $2.49 and it claims to be smudge and transfer resistant. Next we have Condo Force Face Palette. Its packaging is awesome. It has 3 shades. One is neutral, the other one is shimmer, and the third one is peach. You can see closely, this shimmer can work as a wonderful highlighter to highlight your nose area or eyes or your cheekbones. I also like this palette. I have these 4 wonderful mini lipsticks. First we have Plum Yum Zero. Wow, it's lovely. सो फ्रेंड्स, आप हमें कमेंट करके बताइए कि आपको इसमें से कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे लगे और आप इसमें से कौन से परचेज़ करने वाले हैं। आई होप कि आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और हमारी वीडियोस को लाइक करें। थैंक यू।